There is something special about slow mornings. The streets are quiet, spring is in full bloom, and every little corner feels alive. Even the neighborhood's cat seems to have somewhere important to be. And so guys, welcome to another video on my channel. I spend a little time on my PC revisiting a classic, GTA San Andreas. But the best part of the day is still waiting. It's time to leave the screen behind, head outside and see where the trail takes me. These are the moments that make me appreciate life, the freedom to explore, the peace of nature, and the chance to slow down and enjoy the present. When I reach the top, I take a moment to sit, look around, and simply appreciate where I am. It's a reminder that some of the best moments in life don't need to be rushed. All you need is fresh air, a beautiful view, and a little time to reflect. And with that, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.